everybody, and welcome to Diamonds and Denim's YouTube channel. Welcome to the second video in the all-new October. Today I have a pretty special one. I've been wanting to try this product for quite some time now. I have the Dose of Colors Matte Liquid Lipsticks. So these are the three I got. I got them actually at the ULTA 21 Days of Beauty. They were half off. They're usually $19, and I got them for $9 each. So, I mean $18, and I got them for $9 each. So I ordered Kiss of Fire, Warm&Fuzzy, and Truffle. Truffle is the one that I'm actually wearing now. It's like, Truffle is probably the most popular shade. I actually compare it to Candy K, which is my favorite matte lipstick of all time. So if you want to see what I think about these lovely lipsticks, you can keep on watching. Oh, I need to talk about the packaging first. So let me do that first. These are the three I have. If you look at them, I love the packaging of them. The boxes that they come in are really awesome. So on the side, it says Join the Color Revolution right here. But I have so many matte lipsticks, like I wasn't trying to. But when I saw them on the 21 Days of Beauty, of course, I had to try them because I was like, this is insane. And I'm going to do a haul post for the 21 Days of Beauty because I not only got this, I got my favorite primer of all time, the Too Faced Hangover RX, and I also got the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation to try too, all on the 21 Days of Beauty. So I'll put that haul down. I have Dose of Colors on the side in their logo. Let me lower this a little bit. Yeah, so if you look right here, you can see Dose right there, and then underneath it says of Colors. And then right here, they have the lipstick shade, or supposed to be the lipstick shade. It's right here. It has the name. It has matte liquid lip because they also have glosses. And then it's also on the top, which I like because I tend to be kind of OCD about how I keep my lipstick. I keep my lipstick all standing up in my lipstick drawer, and it's a lot easier to see them when they're like this. I can just scroll through and say, okay, give me Warm and Fuzzy, good to go. So this one is Truffle. If you look, the color on the thing is similar, but it's not an exact match. Like, this makes Truffle look a lot more brown, and maybe it's my skin tone that makes it different. I don't know, but it's kind of rough. So anyway, so this is Truffle Liquid Matte Lipstick. So, you know, all good to go. This is the lipstick itself. First of all, let me mention, y'all know how I feel about this. They did color the inside of the box the same color as the lipstick, so that's pretty awesome. This is the bottle itself, which the bottle I love. Okay, the bottle I'm obsessed with. It's so simple but so elegant. It's a frosted glass cylinder with a white top that matches the white writing and then a silver band across the middle. But if you look too, it's got this little see-through clear part right here at the top. And then you have Truffle down at the bottom, the name of it. So these are the packages. So let's start with the swatches. Oh, wait, on the bottom, if you pull out the bottom, it says New Bestie on it. So cute. I'm living. It says New Bestie. That's so cute. I love that. So anyway, I'm going to swatch it on my arm, and then I'm going to swatch it, then I'm going to put on my lips. So this is Truffle. Whew. So this is Truffle here. I did already have Truffle on the lips, but I'm just going to reapply it. Okay, so this is Truffle. Again, it really reminds me a lot of Candy K. It's almost like a dupe for Candy K, but it's definitely a go-to nude that I will be wearing a lot. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So let it dry down for a minute. Okay, so I'm assuming Truffle has now had enough time to dry down, so let's do the kiss test. Nothing. It didn't move at all. So yeah, nothing. So it's definitely long lasting. I love the color. Again, it reminds me a lot of Candy K, so that's going to definitely be a go-to nude for me. So there's Truffle. Okay, so our second shade is Warm and Fuzzy, which looks like it should be like Truffle, but a little more like pink purple. I haven't seen this shade at all, so similar to Truffle to me. So this is the shade itself. I looked on YouTube to find examples of the shade before I ordered it, but no one had it. So hopefully if you're looking for this, okay, it's pinker, a little bit pinker than Truffle. So this is Warm and Fuzzy, and this is Truffle. Let me try it. This color, the formula is so soft. Like, it feels like water on your lips. Like, it's insane. And I love their applicator. Their applicator has like this like scoop at the end of it, which helps get a lot of color on. So this one is Warm and Fuzzy. Right now, without it drying down yet, I feel like it's a lot pinker than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be more of a purple. Nice. It also has New Bestie on this one too. That is just the cutest little touch, the New Bestie thing. So this is Warm and Fuzzy. I'm gonna give it a minute to dry down. This is it on the wrist again, Warm and Fuzzy and Truffle. So give it a minute to dry down real quick. Okay, so Warm and Fuzzy should be dry down now. Let's check. Again, their formula, not sticky at all. Let's do the kiss test. Yep, nothing left over, so pretty good. Pretty good. There's my Warm and Fuzzy. There's Truffle. So this is Warm and Fuzzy. Another one, I like it. It's a little pinker than I was thinking, but I would probably wear it with a liner, but it's pretty. It's very pink though, but I like it. It's cute. So my last one, my final one, is Kiss of Fire, which I keep reading online that that's like the perfect red for women of color like myself. And after my fiasco with my Too Faced Lady Balls, I had to, wow, look at it. So after my fiasco with Too Faced Lady Balls, I had to try to find something that would actually, a red that would stay on my lips. So I'm hoping this one actually stays. So let's see. This is again Kiss of Fire, which is supposed to be a really true blue violet red. Oh, let me do it. Ugh. Based on the stem, it looks kind of pink, but let's see. So this is Kiss of Fire. Yeah, it does look kind of pinky. It's a red though. Very pretty. Okay. Kiss of Fire. Let's see here. So let me be honest. And say that I did not spend a whole lot of time taking the Warm and Fuzzy off, so I had a little bit of color left over. And Kiss of Fire literally just glided like straight over it, so. This is quite a red, it's really pretty. Again, I adore their formula. It's like so liquidy, it's so watery, it just glide on top of my lips and filled in like all the little cracks and everything. So I love the formula of the Dose of Colors matte liquid lipstick. It's really good. This red is gorgeous. I love Kiss of Fire. Like, it's gonna be my go-to red when I'm doing a lookity look, which I don't do often, but when I do a lookity look, this is going to be my lookity look. It's so pretty. Eyes on my teeth, ew. Okay, so I think it's dried down to a beautiful matte red now. So let's go over the swatches one more time. This is Kiss of Fire, this is Warm and Fuzzy, and this is Truffle. And if you look, Warm and Fuzzy and Truffle are very similar. The Kiss of Fire is not at all, but it's very similar. So this is Kiss of Fire. This is the Kiss of Death. Let's see if it's better than Lady Balls, because this is what I bought it to replace. So should be dried all the way down. Nothing. Little tiny bit, but that's like the cotton from the swab, from the makeup wipe. So this is Kiss of Fire. I love it. So let's speak on Dose of Color as a whole line. I have Truffle, I have Warm and Fuzzy, I have Kiss of Fire. My phone is about to die, so I'm gonna kind of fly through this. So these are the 3 colors I tried today. Again, here they are: Truffle, Warm and Fuzzy, Kiss of Fire. Am I gonna give them a diamond? Yes, I'm giving them a diamond. After my Kylie's, these are probably, and they might even pass them up eventually, no guarantees, but at some point they might even pass them up. This is my favorite liquid matte lipstick after my Kylie's. I mean, it just flows on, it's so light, it's not sticky at all, doesn't transfer at all, and it's just a really true blue red. Truffle is a perfect nude, and Warm and Fuzzy isn't the perfect pink, but it's good, it's not bad. So I'm definitely gonna give these 3 a diamond. Please go ahead and read the blog to get more information on these, including where to buy them and how to get the best deal. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see me test anything out, or you want to see a certain look, whatever the case may be, leave it down in the comment section below, or you can contact me on social media, which is going to be the slide that shows up at the end. So until next time, thank you for joining me in this all new October, and I will see you next time on Diamonds and Denim. Thanks, bye.